The second part of my platform is Excel Now. The National Officer Team has a priority to increase the amount of opportunities that our members have. FBLA members have one of the highest range of skill sets amongst any student group, and those skills can be put to use right now. The Jumpstart program is an excellent way to find internships or participate in business and entrepreneurial programs. Exceptional members should also be supported and promoted. So I am aiming at increasing our sponsors and partners to allow more students to elevate their future. Lastly, increasing membership is a goal for many, which is why I plan to create a domino effect for middle level and high school membership by targeting school districts, Board of Education, and legislators.